Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick, well not really quick, everyday makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using all products that I received in my BoxyCharm subscription. I got the premium subscription and also the regular one. So I have about 10 products that I'm going to be using in total. The first one is this vitamin C mask right here that I have on. It is by Georgette Klinger. It is the vitamin C mask. This is what it looks like. And what I really like about it is that it's a pump, so it makes it really convenient to use. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go rinse this off. I've left it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, so I'll be back. I went ahead and washed off the face mask. Left my skin very radiant and glowy looking. I went ahead and added my Exuviance Daily Corrector Moisturizer. This one has SPF in it. So now the next thing I'm going to do is add this eye primer. This eye cream. I also got this one in my BoxyCharm. I cannot say the name at all. I'll probably just put the name down below. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my eyes. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to start with is my eyebrows. I'm going to use this Got To Be glue and a clean spoolie, and I'm just going to kind of spike them up. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed this through. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Too Faced pomade and a pencil. This is the color Espresso, sorry. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like the Benefit Brow Definer. And then it has a spoolie at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and lightly fill in my brows with kind of like upward hair strokes. The next thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. Prime my eyelids. I really love this Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. If you have oily lids and your eyeshadow always creases, this is the one that you need to try. Trust me, it's so good. So I'm just gonna take like the tiniest bit and just rub it into my eyes with my finger. Alright, so they did send me 2 palettes. One of them is this Give Them Lala Beauty. Now, when I first opened this palette, I was in love. Look at those beautiful neutral colors. This is like an everyday palette, but I did try it out already and it has no pigment whatsoever. So maybe I'll give it another chance, but not pigmented. I did not really like it. The other palette that I did like was this Dominique Cosmetics transition palette. Super pretty packaging, and the inside is even better. Look how pretty this is. I can see myself using this every single day. I'm gonna go in with caramel and just put this all over my lids. Alright, after that I am gonna go in with a deeper color. I think I'm gonna go in with this coffee beans color right here. Let's see if I can show it. This coffee beans color, and I'm gonna add this to my outer crease. Actually no, I'm gonna add it all in my crease. And again, using a tapping motion. After that, I'm gonna go in with this color Blushing right here and kind of just blend out that deeper color. And I'm gonna tap this color kind of like at the end of the brown color, kind of on top, overlapping them, but like again, tapping motions. Alright, so since it looks super messy, because I use very dark colors, I'm going to be using a foundation shade to go in and kind of blur out the edges. So I'm going to be using this Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. It is medium skin tone color, so I'm going to go ahead and blend out those edges with this. Alright, so after working on the crease, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease with some concealer and a flat brush. So wish me luck. This is always super nerve-wracking, so keep on watching. I'm going to go in with the deepest cocoa beans and go into the outer corner. Then I'm going to use my MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash. Gigablack Lash. Move on for my face. I have this Jecca Hydrate Primer. So let's see how this works. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to use a good size amount and just rub it in. This is the Natasha Denona Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. They send it in the color light medium warm, so 31W. I'm a dry skin girl, so I don't know how this is going to work on my skin, but we're just going to go ahead and try it out. We'll be applying it with a beauty blender. So let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Patrick Ta Dewy Milk Mist, just because I feel my skin already dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and bounce that on top either. So I'm gonna be using this Fenty Beauty in the color Teddy. Let's see, and I want to use a brush. I'm gonna use this brush. this Artiste brush. Perfect. I think I can get in there really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip in here. Not too much product, but I'm gonna work up. Tint Idol Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. They sent me the shade 250, which is I forgot, Bisque Warm. I'm going to be using this concealer today. First, check if I have any creasing. Okay, so I'm just going. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and blend in this concealer. So now I am going to set my face using Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent. So I like to dip it in there and then kind of like press it onto my hand and then go in. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlighter. I'm gonna be using this Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient makeup palette. It's a highlighter palette. Look how pretty. I'm gonna be using this, the lightest shade, with a little fluffy brush and just that color, and just kind of add it to the top of my cheekbones. So I am going to use the blush that's in here because I want to keep it neutral. So add it to my cheeks on top of that highlighter that I used. So I'm going to be using a Juvia's Place lip liner in the color Cola. I'm going to be using the Bratz Makeup Revolution lippy stick in the Chloe shade, and also the clear Bratz lip gloss. So let's start with my liner. So I like to blend it and make sure it's well blended. So I'm gonna add the gloss on top. So then I'm gonna add again, very, very carefully, some mascara at the bottom. Alright, so this is the finished look. I love how it came out. Now I'm just gonna take a few pictures and see how it looks on camera. But if you guys like this video, give a thumbs up and follow me for more. Bye.